Dear professionals, myself Prakash Saraf from Saraf Gurukul Private Limited, Kolkata. I just want to brief you relating to International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS requirement. As you know that the economy is globalizing around the world. There are small corporates who are doing business on global basis. So there should be the language of accounting which should be understandable in any parts of the world. To understand that language of accounting, global accounting standards in the name of IFRS developed for global countries. Most of the countries have already accepted IFRS. In India, most of the corporates required to apply IFRS from 1st April 2017. So for the financial year 2017 and 18, they need to prepare their financial statement IFRS compliant. At that time, they need to present comparatives of 2016-17. So actually, intrinsically, IFRS will be applicable from 2016 only. So there is huge requirement in India and abroad in those countries where IFRS is gaining its importance. Around 90% of the globe is going to accept IFRS. So there is huge dearth of knowledge. You can see requirement of professionals in this field. We are taking initiative at Saraf Gurukul. We will be giving you training how to implement IFRS in your organization from 1st April 2016. We have tied up with ACCA UK. They will be giving you the certificate, that is Diploma in International Financial Reporting Standards. It's a 6-month course which we will be starting from 1st June. There will be around 26 to 28 classes of 3 hours each, weekly basis, according to convenience of the student. It will be an online, live, direct, two-way communication classes. So wherever you are situated, maybe for job purpose, you are outside your residential station, then in that case you will be able to do our classes. The exams are conducted quarterly in a year. So you will be able to give exam around in December and November, December, and we will be conducting our batches from June. So it is advisable for all of you who know that the importance of this field. We will be giving them the training. We will be taking care of to help them to implement IFRS in their organization. At the same time, there will be some 2 to 3 separate classes also relating to Ind AS, because in India, a person should have knowledge of Ind AS also. IFRS and Ind AS are 99% same. Just 1%, the gap will be filled up through 2-3 classes. So I will advise all the students, all the professionals who want to build their career in IFRS should be subscribing for this opportunity. Thank you. If you are interested, you can refer our website, our Facebook page, and please do connect with us. Any query you want to ask, we are there to help you. Thank you. Tata.